Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will create the handlebar as shown in the sketch on the right. So let's start. Starting a new part document, double click on the screen and choose the part button. Now creating the base feature. The base feature of the handlebar is a sweep feature created using the Swift Boss Base tool. This tool is one of the most important advanced modeling tools used to extrude a closed profile along an open or a closed path. Therefore, to create a swept feature, we need to create a profile and a path. Now, creating the reference plane. To create a reference plane, we need to invoke the plane property manager. From features command manager, select the reference geometry flyout and select the plane button. The plane property manager is displayed. Now, open the feature manager design tree and select the front plane, and in the depth spinner, put the value 25 and choose the OK button. Again, go to reference geometry flyout and select the plane button. Now, in the first reference, you have to select the plane which we have created. Click here, first reference, click the plane 1, and in the depth spinner, put the value 38 and choose the OK button. After creating the reference planes, we will create points on them for creating the 3D sketch of swept feature. Invoke the sketch environment by clicking on the plane 1. Click here and choose the sketch button. Now, from the sketch command manager, select the point and create one point over here and go to smart dimension, click on the origin and the point and put the value 140 and click here and here, put the value 165. Now choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner, click here. Now select plane 2 and choose the sketch button. Now select the point and create one point over here and go to smart dimension, click on the origin, click here and put the value 140, click on the origin, click here and put the value 406. Now choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment, click here. After creating the points, we need to invoke the 3D sketching environment to create the path for the sweep feature. From the sketch environment, select the sketch drop down and select the 3D sketch button. Now go to line drop down and select the line. Now click on the origin and move the cursor in the positive X direction of the triad and click when a value above the cursor is displayed close to 66 mm. Now we will select the point 1 which we have created on the plane 1. Now click here. Now we will select the point 2 which we have created on the plane 2. Click here. Now right click and choose the select. Next, select the fillet. The sketch fillet property manager is displayed, and in the fillet parameters, put the value 50 and entities to fillet, select the intersection between the lines. Click here and here, click here. Now choose the OK button, change the orientation of the model, click here and choose the front view. Now go to smart dimension, click on this point and this point and put the value 66. Now choose the OK button. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner, creating the profile of the sweep feature. As discussed earlier, a sweep feature is created by sweeping the profile along some path. Therefore, after creating the path, we need to create a profile of the sweep feature. To create the profile of the sweep feature, first we need to create a reference plane normal to the path. But in this section, we don't need to create a reference plane normal to the path because the right plane is already normal to the path which we have created. Now click on the right plane and select the sketch button and draw a circle of 38 mm. Go to circle drop down and select the circle. Click on the origin and create one circle. Go to smart dimension, dimension the circle and put the value 38 and choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment, click here. After creating the path and the profile for the sweep feature, we need to sweep the profile along with the 3D path using the Swift Boss Base tool. From the Features Command Manager, select the Swift Boss Base button. The Sweep Property Manager is displayed and the sketch profile is already selected. Select the circle as the profile of the sweep feature and select the path. Now expand the thin feature rollout in and select the checkbox. Now reverse the direction and here put the value 2.5 and choose the OK button. The created sweep feature is only the right half of the handlebar because we have drawn only the right half of the sketch as the path of the sweep feature. Therefore, for the complete handlebar, we need to mirror it on the right plane. So now from the Features Command Manager, go to Linear Pattern Flyout and select the mirror button. The Mirror Property Manager is displayed and in the mirror face plane, open Feature Manager Design Tree and select the right plane. And Features to Mirror, select the sweep which we have created. Now choose the OK button. Now creating the cut feature, from the Features Command Manager, select the Extruded Cut button, open Feature Manager Design Tree and select the right plane. Now go to Line drop down and select the center line. Click on the origin and create one vertical line. Now go to Circle drop down and choose the circle and create one circle over here. Now go to Smart Dimension, click on the circle and put the value 2. Now click on the origin and the center point and put the value 19. Now choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Next, change the current orientation of the model. Click here and change it to isometric. The Cut Extrude Property Manager is displayed. Now we will select the offset option from the Start Condition drop down list of the From rollout in the Property Manager. Click here and change it to offset, and in the offset put the value 12.5 and select the reverse button, and in the direction 1 rollout the end condition will be blind, and in the depth spinner put the value 25 and choose the OK button. Now creating the circular pattern, from the Features Command Manager, go to Linear Pattern Flyout and select the circular pattern. The Circular Pattern Property Manager is displayed. For direction 1, click over here, select the middle circular face, click here. Now set the number of instances to 36 and choose the equal spacing, click here. Now Features and Faces, click here. Open the Feature Manager Design Tree and select the Cut Extrude 1 and choose the OK button. After creating the circular pattern, we need to mirror it about the right plane. From the Features Command Manager, go to Linear Pattern Flyout and select the mirror button, and in the mirror face plane, select the right plane from the Feature Manager Design Tree, and Features to Mirror, select the circular pattern. Now choose the OK button. To hide the plane, click on the plane and choose the Hide button. Click here and choose the Hide button. Now saving the model, go to Save drop down, select the Save As button, choose the motorcycle project folder and name it as Handlebar. Now choose the Save button. Now the model is saved. Thanks for watching the video.